Did you know that the first food eaten in space was a tube of applesauce? Astronauts have come a long way since then, but the evolution of their meals is pretty wild. When we think of space travel, we often imagine the thrill of exploring new worlds, conducting groundbreaking research, and pushing the limits of human endurance. But have you ever stopped to think about what fuels these incredible feats? It's astronaut food, and it's more than just a meal. It's a crucial component of any successful space mission. From the early days of space travel to the current innovations in astronaut nutrition, the evolution of space food has been a remarkable journey. In the 1960s, astronauts like Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin survived on a diet of freeze-dried ice cream and Tang. But as space travel became more frequent and longer duration missions became the norm, the need for more nutritious and sustainable food options grew. Today, astronaut food comes in a variety of forms, each designed to meet specific nutritional needs and overcoming the unique challenges of consuming meals in space. Freeze-dried meals like spaghetti and meatballs or chicken fajitas are staples of the astronaut diet, while thermostabilized pouches provide a convenient and shelf-stable way to enjoy favorites like beef stew or vegetable quiche. And then there are the fresh food systems, which allow astronauts to grow their own fruits and vegetables on board the International Space Station. But it's not just about the food itself. The packaging is just as crucial. Astronauts use specialized utensils and straws to eat and drink in microgravity, and food packets are designed to be easily consumed in tight spaces. And let's not forget the impact of nutrition on performance in space. A well-fed astronaut is a happy and healthy astronaut, capable of performing at their best, even in the most challenging environments. When you're living in space, food preferences can become a major challenge. Astronauts often have limited options, and their personal tastes can be vastly different from one another. And then there's the issue of waste management. In a confined environment like the International Space Station, every gram of trash counts. On top of that, nutritional needs change dramatically in a zero-gravity environment, where the body's metabolism slows down and fluid shift occurs. Despite these challenges, space agencies around the world are working tirelessly to innovate and improve astronaut food technology. From 3D printed pizza to hydroponic gardens, the future of space food is looking brighter than ever. Would you like to taste some of the food astronauts get to eat? Share your opinion in the comments.